Let's master the art of polite requests using in case. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and useful topic: making indirect and polite requests using in case statements. This skill will help you sound more natural and polite when interacting in English, so let's get started. Before we jump into making requests using in case, it's crucial to understand what in case statements actually are. In case is used when we want to do something in preparation for a possible future event. It's like saying, because something might happen. Here's a simple example. I'll take an umbrella, in case it rains. You're taking the umbrella because it might rain later. Now that we know the basic use of in case, let's look at how it can be used to make indirect requests. When we want to be polite or subtle, instead of directly asking for something, we can use in case to express our needs or wants. It's a way of saying, please do this, because something might happen. For example, instead of saying, please inform me when you arrive, you might say, in case I'm not aware, please inform me when you arrive. It sounds more polite and less demanding. Let's practice with some more examples of polite requests using in case. 1. In case I forget, could you remind me about our meeting tomorrow? 2. Could you please leave a note in case you finish work before me? 3. In case you go out, could you buy some milk? These sentences request something in a polite, indirect way, showing consideration for the other person's feelings. So that's it for today, folks. Using in case for making indirect and polite requests is a great tool for your English language toolkit. Remember, sounding natural and polite in English is not only about vocabulary and grammar, but also about how you convey your thoughts and needs. As always, keep practicing and try to use in case in your everyday English conversations. Thanks for watching and see you in our next lesson.